Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Honda Pilot oil light. This easy guide will help you quickly turn off that persistent maintenance reminder. You don't need any special tools or a trip to the mechanic. Just follow these straightforward instructions, and you'll have your oil life indicator back to 100% in just a few moments, ensuring your vehicle's display is accurate. First, get into your Honda Pilot and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, look at your steering wheel. On the left side, you'll find buttons that allow you to scroll through your vehicle's information display. Use these buttons to navigate until you find the screen that shows maintenance or vehicle information, which includes your oil life percentage. Once you've reached the correct screen, highlight the oil life or maintenance due option. Now, press and hold the Enter button, usually located on your steering wheel, for approximately 10 seconds. You will see the oil life percentage begin to blink. Continue holding until the display prompts you to confirm the reset. Select Yes to complete the process. After confirming the reset, check your vehicle's display. The oil life percentage should now read 100%, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps, paying close attention to each instruction. Remember, resetting the light does not replace the need for regular oil changes, which are vital for maintaining your engine's longevity and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.